Travel smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving into 20 genius travel gadgets on Amazon that will completely save you time and space. From clever organizers to futuristic tools you didn't even know existed, these gadgets are game changers for every trip. Stick around, because by the end, you'll discover must-have items that can upgrade your travel experience like never before. Number 1. Anker-Zolo-Magnetic-Power-Bank. The Anker-Zolo-Magnetic-Power-Bank is a compact, portable solution for keeping devices charged on the go. Its magnetic design securely attaches to compatible phones for convenient wireless charging. Lightweight and travel-ready, it easily fits into backpacks or carry-ons. With fast charging capabilities and a durable build, it ensures your devices stay powered during flights, road trips, or commuting. Perfect for frequent travelers or tech enthusiasts, it combines convenience with performance. Click the product link below to grab your Anker-Zolo-Magnetic-Power-Bank. Number 2. Noshinku Refillable Hand Sanitizer 3-pack. The Noshinku Refillable Hand Sanitizer 3-pack keeps travelers safe and germ-free anywhere. Compact, lightweight, and TSA approved, these bottles fit perfectly in purses, backpacks, or pockets. Refillable and durable, they reduce waste while ensuring you always have sanitizer on hand. Ideal for flights, public transport, or outdoor adventures, this set provides convenience and hygiene on the go. Stay protected without sacrificing portability. Click the product link below to get your Noshinku Refillable Hand Sanitizer 3-pack. Number 3. The yesimla-multi-usb-c-adapter-kit. The yesimla-multi-usb-c adapter-kit is a must-have for tech-savvy travelers. Compact and versatile, it supports USB-C, USB-A, and micro-USB devices, making it perfect for charging laptops, phones, and tablets simultaneously. Lightweight and portable, it easily fits into backpacks or carry-ons. Ideal for business trips, vacations, or remote work. It simplifies packing and keeps devices powered without carrying multiple adapters. Click the product link below to grab your yesimla-multi-usb-c adapter-kit. Number 4. Allive-leather-passport-holder. The allive-leather-passport-holder is a stylish and practical travel accessory. Crafted from high-quality leather, it protects passports, boarding passes, and travel documents while keeping them organized. Lightweight and compact, and it easily fits in handbags or carry-ons. Ideal for frequent travelers, business trips, or family vacations, it combines elegance with functionality. Travel smart while maintaining a premium feel. Click the product link below to get your allive-leather-passport-holder. Number 5. Apple-airtag. The Apple-airtag helps travelers keep track of luggage, backpacks, or personal items. Small, lightweight, and durable, it attaches easily to bags or keys, providing real-time location tracking via the Find My app. Perfect for frequent flyers or anyone prone to losing belongings, it offers peace of mind during trips. Its sleek design and reliable functionality make it an essential travel companion. Stay organized and stress-free while traveling. Click the product link below to grab your Apple AirTag. Number 6. SurePill Pouch 35 pieces. The SurePill Pouch 35-pack is perfect for organizing medications, vitamins, or small accessories while traveling. Lightweight and compact, each pouch keeps items secure and easy to access. Ideal for long trips, camping, or daily use, it prevents spills and simplifies storage. Durable and portable, these pouches fit neatly into backpacks, luggage, or purses. Stay organized and manage essentials on the go. Click the product link below to get your SurePill Pouch 35-pack. Number 7. 12 South Butterfly SE2 in 1 charger. The 12 South Butterfly SE2 in 1 charger is a versatile and compact charging solution for travelers. It supports wireless charging for phones while powering another device simultaneously via USB. Lightweight and travel-friendly, it fits easily in backpacks or carry-ons. Ideal for flights, hotels, or remote work, it ensures devices remain charged efficiently without carrying multiple chargers. Perfect for tech-savvy travelers, it combines convenience with performance. Click the product link below to grab your 12 South Butterfly SE2 in 1 charger. Number 8. Airglo-airplane-phone-tablet-holder. The airglo-airplane-phone-tablet-holder keeps devices secure and hands-free during flights. Adjustable to fit phones or small tablets, it attaches easily to airplane tray tables or headrests. Lightweight, portable, and durable, it fits neatly in backpacks or carry-ons. Perfect for watching movies, video calls, or reading while traveling, it reduces neck strain and enhances in-flight convenience. Make your travel entertainment stress-free. Click the product link below to get your airglo-airplane-phone and tablet holder. Number 9. Duace 2000-watt travel voltage converter. The Duace 2000-watt travel voltage converter is essential for international travelers. It safely converts voltage for devices like laptops, hairdryers, and cameras, preventing damage from incompatible power sources. Compact and durable, it easily fits in luggage or carry-ons. Ideal for business trips, vacations, or remote work abroad, it ensures all devices remain functional anywhere. Travel confidently with reliable power protection. Click the product link below to grab your Duace 2000-watt travel voltage converter. Number 10. eOcean Selfie Stick Tripod. 71-inch The eOcean Selfie Stick Tripod extends up to 71 inches. You're perfect for capturing travel photos and videos. Lightweight, portable, and easy to set up, it doubles as a tripod or selfie stick for phones and small cameras. Its durable design withstands outdoor conditions, making it ideal for sightseeing, hikes, or city tours. Perfect for travelers, vloggers, or content creators, it ensures memorable shots from any angle. Click the product link below to get your eOcean Selfie Stick Tripod 71-inch. Number 11. Tech Bag Organizer. Small electronics. The Tech Bag Organizer for small electronics keeps all your gadgets neatly stored while traveling. With multiple compartments and elastic loops, it holds chargers, cables, power banks, and small devices securely. Lightweight, durable, and portable, it easily fits into backpacks or carry-ons, preventing tangled cords and lost accessories. We're perfect for frequent travelers, digital nomads, or students. It simplifies packing and ensures quick access to essentials. Stay organized on the go. Click the product link below to grab your Tech Bag Organizer. Number 12. Outin-nano-portable-coffee-maker. The outin-nano-portable-coffee-maker is a must-have for coffee lovers on the move. Compact, rechargeable, and lightweight, it brews fresh coffee or espresso anywhere, hotels, trains, or camping trips, without bulky equipment. Durable and easy to use, it ensures a perfect cup wherever you are. Ideal for morning routines during travel or outdoor adventures, it combines convenience and premium taste in one portable device. Don't miss your coffee on the go. Click the product link below to grab the outin-nano-portable-coffee-maker. Number 13. Forge Smart Luggage Tags 2-pack. The Forge Smart Luggage Tags 2-pack help travelers easily identify bags and keep them secure. Made from durable materials with unique QR codes, these tags store contact information for quick recovery if luggage is lost. Compact, lightweight, and stylish, they fit easily on suitcases, backpacks, or carry-ons. Perfect for frequent flyers, family trips, or business travel, they offer peace of mind while traveling. Protect your luggage effortlessly. Click the product link below to get the Forge Smart Luggage Tags 2-pack. Number 14. Guard Dog Portable Door Lock. The Guard Dog Portable Door Lock adds extra security wherever you stay. Easy to install on most doors without tools. It provides additional protection in hotels, hostels, or rental homes. Compact, lightweight, and durable, it fits neatly in luggage or backpacks. Ideal for solo travelers or families, it enhances safety and privacy during sleep or downtime. Travel with confidence and peace of mind. Click the product link below to grab your Guard Dog Portable Door Lock. Number 15. Lisex Portable Sound Machine. The Lisex Portable Sound Machine creates a peaceful environment for restful sleep anywhere. Compact, lightweight, and rechargeable, it offers soothing white, pink, and nature sounds to block distractions during flights, hotels, or hostels. Easy to use and travel-ready, it helps improve sleep quality for frequent travelers or anyone sensitive to noise. Take relaxation on the go and arrive refreshed. Click the product link below to grab the Lisex Portable Sound Machine. Number 16. Temden Travel USB-C Charging Cable. The Temden Travel USB-C charging cable is a versatile, tangle-free solution for travelers. With durable nylon braid and multiple connector options, it charges phones, tablets, and laptops efficiently. Lightweight and portable, it fits perfectly in backpacks, carry-ons, or tech organizers. Ideal for frequent travelers or digital nomads, it simplifies packing while keeping devices powered on the go. Upgrade your travel charging setup. Click the product link below to get the Temden Travel USB-C charging cable. Number 17. GaiaTop Handheld Mini Foldable Fan. The GaiaTop handheld mini foldable fan is perfect for staying cool during flights, road trips, or hot outdoor adventures. Compact, rechargeable, and foldable, it fits easily into backpacks, purses, or carry-ons. Despite its small size, it delivers strong airflow to beat the heat anywhere. Durable and travel-ready, it's ideal for summer travel, festivals, or city explorations. Stay refreshed and comfortable wherever you go. Click the product link below to grab your GaiaTop handheld mini foldable fan. Number 18. Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox. The Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox makes eating on the go convenient and hot meals easy. Lightweight, compact, and travel-ready, it heats food evenly using a car adapter or USB connection. Perfect for long road trips, office commutes, or camping. It keeps meals warm without bulky appliances. Durable and easy to clean, it's ideal for travelers who want homemade meals on the go. Click the product link below to grab your Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox. Number 19. On VisiCool Airplane Tablet Holder. The VisiCool Airplane Tablet Holder keeps devices secure and hands-free during flights. Adjustable for phones or small tablets, it attaches easily to airplane tray tables or headrests. Lightweight, portable, and durable, it fits neatly in carry-ons or backpacks. Perfect for watching movies, video calls, or reading. It reduces neck strain and enhances travel comfort. Make your in-flight entertainment stress-free. Click the product link below to get the VisiCool Airplane Tablet Holder. Number 20. Tangcoral Vacuum Compression Backpack. The Tangcoral Vacuum Compression Backpack maximizes packing space and keeps belongings organized. Its built-in vacuum system compresses clothes and gear, saving up to 70% of luggage space. Lightweight, durable, and travel-ready, it's ideal for long trips, camping, or city adventures. Multiple compartments and leak-proof materials protect items while simplifying packing and unpacking. Perfect for travelers who value efficiency and convenience, this backpack makes packing effortless. Click the product link below to grab your Tangcoral Vacuum Compression Backpack. That's a wrap on 20 genius travel gadgets on Amazon that save time and space. Which one will you try on your next trip? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more smart travel hacks.